Hey guys, Matt with Safford. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use Apple CarPlay in your Hyundai Santa Fe. For those of you who don't know, Apple CarPlay essentially eliminates the need to use your phone while driving, making driving safer while allowing you to stay connected to the world around you on the go. Setting up Apple CarPlay is extremely easy. All you need to do is plug your phone into the USB port via charging cable. After you plug your phone in, on your iPhone, a large CarPlay logo should appear, signifying that you are connected. Once the CarPlay logo pops up on your phone, you're able to put your phone down. Everything you'll need from your phone is now accessible on the screen in your car. Following the completion of these steps, your display should show the apps on your phone compatible with Apple CarPlay. Apple has a list of all the apps currently compatible with CarPlay on their website, but the most common ones are Phone, Messages, Apple Music, Podcasts, Apple Maps, and Spotify. Apple CarPlay also has access to Siri that allows you to call people, set appointments, and ask for directions, all without having to touch your phone. If you hold down the home button for 3 seconds, it accesses Siri. Going through some of the apps, the messaging app allows you to send and receive text messages while driving. You can use Siri to create and send a message for you, and when you receive a message back, a banner will show on the display saying that you got a message and who it is from. If you click on it, Siri will read it to you and ask for a response. The Map app is accessible via Siri and provides you with turn-by-turn guidance. It also allows you to find a destination, and Siri gives you recommendations based on your distance. The Music app allows you to play the music you have downloaded on iTunes or your Apple Music subscription. It is also accessible through Siri, just like on your regular phone. On the left side of your screen, it shows you 2 recent apps that you opened, as well as your phone app. It also shows you your time, your signal strength, and has the home button so you can get back to your home screen. If you click on the Hyundai app, it goes back to your regular home screen. Thanks for checking out the video today, guys. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our channel. We have a ton of helpful how-tos and car overviews. If you click the first link in the description, it'll take you to our website where we have a huge inventory of new and used cars. I'll see you on the next one.